Okay, a vector question. Last question on exam paper. Worth 5 marks in total. AA star question. The first part, relatively straightforward. We've got to show something. Now we're told that PM and MQ is in the ratio 2 to 1, so we can work out that's in the ratio 2 to 1, and then this one we're told is in the ratio 1 to 2. We're told that there. Now, in the first part, we're told PQ is B minus A, which we should know anyway. P to Q, we've got to go minus A and then plus B. And we really write that more neatly with B minus A. We've got to show that OM equals that. So, O to M is the same as, OM is the same as OP plus PM. When we're using vectors, we can only go along the lines that we have defined, which is the A and the B. So OP is just the vector A, and I'm going to use a little a with a squiggle underneath, mainly because I don't have a bold font to be able to show that they're different to just the letter. P to M is going to be 2/3, because this is 2/3 of the way along PQ. We're told what PQ is, so it's 2/3 of PQ, which is B minus A. So if I multiply that out, I get 2/3 B minus 2/3 A. Be careful with that minus. And then we've got A minus 2/3 is 1/3 A plus 2/3 B. And that's the first mark. We're showing that. Now that's going to help you in the second part. We're actually trying to show that this is on a straight line. So that, oh, will you stop it? So we're trying to show that O, M, N are on a straight line. It's not drawn accurately, so it's not necessarily has to be on a straight line in this diagram. But when we're trying to show something's on a straight line, there's two things we need to show. One, that that OM and ON are parallel, and because they start, if we start from the same point, O, two lines that are parallel that start from the same point must be on a straight line. So to show this, we need to show ON, the longer one, probably easier, is a multiple K, whatever, of OM. So if we can find a value that we multiply OM by to give us ON, then we know they are parallel. That implies parallel and on the straight line because they start from the same points, as O is common point. So two lines that are parallel that start from the same point must be on a straight line. The other technical phrase for that is collinear. So we need to work out what ON is basically. So ON is going to be equal to OP plus PN. OP is our A again. PN is 1/3 of PR, which is 1/3 of PR. Now PR is minus A plus all this, which is 4B. We've got B and 3B, so we've got minus A plus 4B. We've got minus A plus 4B. So A plus 1/3 of minus A, which is minus 1/3 A, plus 1/3 of 4B, which is plus 4/3 B. 1/3 of 4 is 4/3. Simplify that, we've got A minus 1/3 A is 2/3 A, and 4/3 B. So that one, is that a multiple of this one? Well, it's twice as big, isn't it? So 2 times 1/3 is 2/3, 2 times 2/3 is 4/3. So that tells us that ON equals 2 lots of OM. Therefore, straight line. For 4 marks. Now, where you get your marks from that question, well, you're probably going to get, if you've got this, just this 4B minus A or minus A plus 4B, that's going to give you a method mark. If you can get to this whole expression for ON, that's going to give you another method mark. And then if you can simplify it down to this, That's going to give you a third method mark. And then you've got to put some comment in about them being showing a point and parallel, and showing what the parallel, how it's parallel, because this is twice this one. And there we go. 5 marks for a vectors question.